Hello and welcome to today's tips and tricks. Today we'll be looking at using layers to deal with large assemblies that get imported into SpaceClaim. So here we can see a lot of parts that we have and all of the components that were brought in. Notice that there's 524. And it'll be difficult for us to hide them or unhide them individually. So for this I can use layers. And I might want to start by doing some nice big box selects, either from top to bottom or right to left, and put a lot of the components on a different layer. And I can do this just by right-clicking and making a new layer. Now all of the components I've selected are on that new layer. And so we can see it better, I'll toggle that on or off. So now once we move most of our components to a layer, we can go through and further define our search. Any other materials that we might want on another layer, I can select on them, either with box selects or one at a time, go to our Display tab, and place them on any of the layers that are created. So using this, I can quickly go through and refine each group that I'm working with, placing them on layer 1, layer 2, or layer 0. Now also notice that we can go through and hide and unhide these and work with them. But after I make any of the changes I'd like, we'll be all set. And I'm going to fast forward a little bit. And once we've finished placing our components on different layers, we can rename them. And notice you can't rename layer 0. So if you want all your components on there, you'll probably go through and select all of them and make a new layer. I prefer to not have anything on layer 0. So now we can rename this. We'll just name this small stuff. And now we've brought our large assembly and quickly place them on different layers. We have our support, our major components, and our small things like nuts and bolts. So thank you for watching today's tips and tricks. I hope it's been helpful.